In this video, we're going to learn how to draw histograms from frequency tables. We do that using the same method as drawing pie chart. We have to have a frequency table first on the age of shoppers, for example. We go to Insert, we click on Columns, and we choose the 2D column. We have this empty rectangle. We right-click in it, and then we select Data. We click on Add. We give the series name, which is in this case Age of Shoppers, and in the series values we delete all this and we highlight the frequencies for different categories. Click OK. Notice that the different categories are labeled as 1, 2, 3 all the way to 8. We control them by clicking on the horizontal category Edit, and then we highlight the different grouped categories in this case, and we click OK, and we have our contextual categories. Click OK again, and we have this sort of bar chart. Let's get rid of the legend in this case, and then what we have to do is to introduce some titles here. We go to Layout and we click on Axis Titles. You have the horizontal and vertical. Let's start with the horizontal. We click on horizontal and we have the two options. I'll choose the one below the axis and I put age in this case. And then we go to the axis and we choose the vertical. We've got several versions. The one that I like particularly is the rotator title. So we click on it, and then I introduce a title for the horizontal axis called the number of shoppers. In this case, the number of shoppers. Okay, that's it. Now, because these categories follow each other, there is no need for a gap between the bars, and this is what constitutes a histogram. So we need to get rid of the gaps between the bars. We do that by right-clicking on the bar, any bar, and then we go to Format Data Series, and where it says gap width in this case, I scroll the cursor all the way to no gap. Okay, and we click Close, and we have a histogram. Now all we have to do is to embellish it a little bit by clicking on the bars now to highlight them, and then if we go to Design and scroll down here, we can find something that is interesting, a 3D effect, for example. So let's click on it, and we've got a 3D effect. So that's a histogram. We can embellish a little bit this histogram if you want to, but all you have to bear in mind is that for this histogram you've got different sections that you need to be aware of. For example, this here, if you click on it, this is the bars area. You have the grid area that I'm clicking on. You have the various axes area. If I click on them, and you can edit every single one of them. And you've got the titles, different ones, and let's edit slightly the main title by going to Home and then choose a smaller type size. Okay, that's end our video.